Hey guys, so it's 7 AM and I'm going to leave for HirezExpo Atlanta. I'm going to catch my bus now. This is my suitcase. It's still like very dark. Now I'm walking towards the bus stop. It's a 10-minute walk, 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, do you see that star? It's so bright. Look at that line. Ooh. So I'm finally on the flight and look who's next to me. Hi. I'm so happy I'm not alone on this flight. We're going now to Atlanta. That's almost a 10-hour flight. See you soon. And we're walking towards the customs and then getting our baggage. But look, we are like the only ones. I'm scared that we're going the wrong way. Hi. After getting our baggage, we're going to look for a ride and get to the hotel. Maybe meet up some people because there are a lot of people landing right now from community people. We'll see. I arrived at the hotel and I'll do a room tour. So here first we have the bathroom. I have this awesome light, like this is like the effect of the ring light. It is so cool. I want this light at home, like seriously. Look how good it is, like look at the eyes, it's so cool. Here we have a shower, the sink with the mirror, a toilet. Then, well, don't mind my mess, I already put my bag on the bed. It's really dark, I think I'm going to put a light up, but look at this view. I'm on the 60th floor. Do you say it like that? But look how cool it is. Look how high I am. Oh my gosh. Oh, the view is just awesome. Like, okay, maybe you don't really see it, but this is like so cool. This is amazing. There's the TV, the big bed. This is my bag, like look how big it was. But yeah, everything is inside of my cosplay. Let's hope when I get it all out it's not broken. A really large mirror. I really like this. It is handy. The door. I didn't vlog a lot today. After I packed everything out, we went to a reception or something, and like a lot of content creators were there. I think most of you saw the pictures on Yoshina's feed. Like that feed was just gold. We had so much fun. And tomorrow we're going to Hirez Studios and Skillshot. So I'm really excited for that. See you tomorrow. I'm going to bed now. Actually in Belgium it's 4 AM and here it's almost 10 PM. But yeah, the time difference, like for me it's normally 4 AM, so I'm so tired. I'm just going to sleep and we'll see tomorrow. This is the first breakfast in America. Like it's so weird. You have so much stuff. This is so cool. Hey guys, so we're in the bus. We're going to Hirez Studios and we're going to Skillshot. We're getting a tour. I'm here with Lights. Hey Chappie! And there are a lot of content creators here in the bus and we're like all the back. Like with the cool kids. And the way. I'm pretty excited. Oh. Now it's the Lights turn to film.
I feel like such a tourist going around with my camera.
I also feel like a tourist. Hirez Studios next. This is so big.
bothering it, yeah.
Well, it's like anywhere else, it would have been totally fine. Just happens to be in this hot.
At the aquarium, and this is so cool. Like, look at this.
Holy shit!
Like, there's so many cool fishes, and this is just the first thing we are seeing. And this is so pretty. I got a badge with my name! Look how cool it is! Woohoo! I just got back from the HRX dinner. It was really good. This was my outfit of the dinner. It was at the aquarium and it was so cool. After that there was a presentation, then we had dinner. Some fancy dinner, really fancy. I'm going to like fix some stuff on my cosplay now because I still have to do some stuff. I've met a lot of people. Like, it's weird when people come up to you and they say like, I watch your streams, and that's like, oh, I don't know what to say. It's so weird, but yeah, it's really cool. It's amazing to meet people. I love meeting people. Tomorrow is the first day of HirezExpo. I'm really excited for that. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to leave in a few minutes. First, I'm going to get some breakfast, and I'm ready. This is my outfit of today. I'm really excited because it's the first time I'm ever going to HirezExpo. And this experience is just amazing. Hey guys, so we're in the bus, we're going to HirezExpo. I'm here with Elsa. Superbuns is also here. We have Faye in the back too, and Light is there, and Shappy is there. And this is the first day. I'm so excited. I already met some pro players. It's so weird to see everyone in real life. I'm so excited. We just arrived and it starts with that song. That's so typical. We just arrived at HirezExpo. I just here's me and Shabby and this is the stage. It's happening. It's so funny. Like, the song is everywhere.
She is so excited, you guys. I have no fucking idea. She's crying in the back because she's so fucking excited.
I feel like a little kid.
You haven't limited now.
Look at this.
No?
Oh, look, that's Lunya. I'm in front of the stage. Look how big it is. Oh my god. It's so big. And we're waiting for the Hirez presentation. There's going to be a lot of announcements. It's 9 minutes. So this is, I'm like right in front. I'm like, whoa. We've met a few pro players already, and this is so cool. Like, it's really big here. Oh, I see Kenneth on stage. Let's see if I can film him. I don't know. Can you see Kenneth? He's right there on stage. I don't know. We've gotten some this, like, you have to blow it up. Like, look at Yoshino. And then that's for show them what you have to do with this. What do you have to do with that?
Blow it up?
Yeah, you have to blow it up, and then you can like smash it together.
Wait, hold on.
That's going to be a lot of fun. Everyone is here. Everyone is really excited. We're really excited for the announcement. More and more people are joining. We chapstick, the kid in the back, it's crazy. Then it's white, then it's choppy. All the Cheetos, stay in the bag, but just calling on TV. Oh, he's on stage. Kenneth is on stage. A lot of people on stage. I have these things now. There's also pretty hair there. You see him? Oh, the purple is there. You see them? Yeah.
Wacky team. They like to throw different kinds of looks at their opponents. A lot of meetings.
It's Navi.
It also doesn't give much away in
This
terms
is
of
so
how Marvel
damn
wants to
cool.
play. They're made of the composition.
Oh my god, I'm
it
so
kind of puts
excited.
the
My first meal at HirezExpo. It's a chicken
For the videos?
chicken file
Probably.
filet with chips.
Because, like,
This is so weird. And I also got a
it's
cookie.
kind of weird
Chocolate
because
cookie.
a lot of
Chocolate chain
things
cookie.
on Adobe, I mean, obviously Photoshop.
Dreamhack HirezExpo is here. There's a college football. Oh my gosh. There's a hotel. Really big. CNN. I actually don't know if it's a hotel or it's CNN from the real news station thingy. I'm walking with Shoppy and also now we're going to look if we can find a Walmart, maybe a Hot Topic. We want to check out Atlanta a little bit. So this is the only day we're free. Tomorrow's going to be cosplay day.